guys, it's NEESYRAYCHELLE and I am back at you with another video. So I'm just gonna do a fall look today, and as you can see, I already did my face, so we just gonna do the eyeshadows today because I'm really tired and I need to get y'all a video out because I've been slacking, y'all. I have a lot going on right now. So I'm thinking I'm going to do like some orange and burgundy and brown. So today I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm not going to show y'all my actual palette because listen, she done been through it, okay? She's like, yeah, she got everything on the girl. Like, listen, eyeshadow, it's some makeup on it, it's some tape on it. I don't even know where this tape came from, but it's there. So we just gonna, we just gonna go with it, okay? So like I said, I've already done my face. I put my foundation on, did my eyebrows, concealer, and like I'm baking right now because I never do my eyeshadow last, so I wanted to at least like not mess up my face kind of sort. So we're gonna see what I come up with. So I really don't know what I want to do, but I don't know, y'all, we just gonna make something shake. So I do know I'm going to be using my brushes from the Crayon Case because like they're my favorite right now and they work phenomenally. So I'm gonna start with my crease colors. I think my crease colors are gonna be some browns, and I think I might put some burgundy in my crease. I don't know. We'll see. So the first one I'm starting with is like a, I don't know, tan type nude color. I probably need my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. And I've already primed my eyes, so I'm gonna brush that in. Yeah, so it's like a nude. It almost blends with my skin for whatever reason. We're gonna put that in first. And I'll do that on both eyes. Yeah. This will be cute. So that's going to be my starting crease color. Then I'm going to do this orangey brown color. Put that in there. That definitely added some definition to it. Yeah. So y'all, I took up another job. So like, your girl is like really tired. Like, I could go to sleep right now, and I haven't been sleeping well, so I don't know what's going on. But hopefully it gets better and I feel a lot better so I can do more videos for y'all and get back on the schedule, because I was pumping them out and now I feel like I haven't done this in like weeks. I don't know. My body's like, no girl, you can't do it, but I need to, you know? So I think now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this pretty burnt orange color and make that my lid color. And I'm just gonna do it like from the inner corner of my eye to about the middle. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull that to about the middle of my eye. And I'm really gonna pack it on because my eyeshadow primer is not that great right now. Okay. And we're gonna do that with the next eye as well. Start from the inner corner and bring it on out. Yeah. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. And so for my outer corner, I am going to take this, it's like a brown, but it has like a little glitter in it. So I'm gonna put that on the outer corner and see how that turns out. You're gonna see, y'all. I just made something up in my head real quick. You can actually take this and bring it into the crease kinda to give a somewhat smoky effect. Yep. It's real simple, nothing too, you know, out there, just a simple like beginner's eye. In case you have like a fall party or something that you're going to, but you're not too confident in your eyeshadow skills, you can definitely pull this off real quick. It didn't take me long to do. I didn't use a lot of different colors or a lot of like techniques. It's just simple and to the point. And there you have it. A simple fall look with a little orange. I think I'm going to do a little something on my inner corner so I can have like a little, just a little extra. If I could find me a little brush. Yeah, so there's this real pretty like bronzy gold color in the palette, and we're gonna go ahead and use that to add a little extra on my inner corner. Yeah, that did it. It spiced it up a little bit. It's definitely a little plain compared to what I've been doing. I've been trying to give y'all a little pizzazz lately, and honestly, I don't feel how my face looks. Yep, so that's the face. I'm going to go ahead and brush off the rest of my powder, and then I'm going to put a highlight on, and we're going to be all set. So brush, brush, brush. I'm going to highlight That's what I said I was gonna do, y'all. That's how tired I am. I don't even know what I'm telling y'all I'm supposed to be doing. I don't have all my stuff. I'm like just, I don't know, out there. So I am still using my Urban Decay. I've literally like fallen back in love with this stuff because it was just, I don't know. You see that? You see the light hitting it? Perfect. I kind of feel like the rest of my video might not be in focus, y'all. I don't know. We gonna see. I hope it is because this was a quick little to the point video. And I really want y'all to see it. You could take some of that highlight and add under your eyebrow if you like, on your bone, your brow bone, right there. Just a little bit to give you a little extra. And then for my lip, I'm gonna just do my cork liner and a gloss because we don't need all of that. This look is very simple and you want to kind of keep it that way. So I line my lip kind of heavy. That way, when I put the gloss on top of it, it makes a color. And another thing I've learned is if you bring that across and make like an X on your lips, it helps. And I kind of rub mine in a little bit just to give it a little extra something. And then my gloss I'm using is it's just a gloss from the hair store, y'all. Y'all know how I am. Okay, so this is my final lip after I put my lip gloss on. And again, it's just a hair store lip gloss. I did not go to MAC and buy a lip glass. This is straight hair store. So you can get the same look for a cheaper price. I want to thank y'all for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful for any beginners. Let me know what y'all want to see next. And like, comment, subscribe. Follow my social media pages. And I will see you in the next